So make it circle first like this.
Sir,
Yes.
could I join here? Could I show you a drawing I've done?
Yes, please show me. Please show me.
Sir, sorry for late.
Going to carry next steps. So you can create here the line.
My little team.
My little vein. We are creating this. Here you can do this line like this. One. Okay. Like this. Here small teeth. Okay. This is a smiley. The smiley's face. Huh? Nice, na beta. Okay. It's a smiley. It's a teeth. Here you can put the take your time, aram se. Okay. The step one is a circle. Step one is a circle. Okay. Step two, just to make it with this circle, like do like this. Okay. Step three. Step three, what you're doing, just after the circles, make it here eyes, and here nose, and here mouth. Okay. And
Yes,
step
sir. I finished.
and step four, I show you. That much is done, all of you.
Yes, sir.
That's amazing. That's why I like you. You are so amazing and make very fast. The room also join. Okay. This line here you can make the eyes like this. Make the eyes like this. See how nicely you can draw the eyes. Mighty beam. Yeah. This straight line. Okay. Here you can draw the ear like this. Okay. Draw ear like this. Fine. So when the smile, you can draw little bit of like this side, both side little bit of like this. Okay, here make it like this, little bit of. It looks a smiley. Okay, take your time. This is nose and draw the hair. How to draw the hair? Just do like this. Okay, and do like this. This is a hair. Okay. Sorry, Vika.
Did you like my sound?
Yeah, I like it. Your sound. Yeah, that's good. So I make the hair like this. If I put like this, it's look like a mighty Raju. Chota Bheem something. No, yeah, do like this. Bye, beta. Make it like this. So this the step four. We are making this eyes. nose, and one thing is missing. This is the eyebrow, right, Joanna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this is okay. So create a character. Step one, step two, step three, step four. Step by step. Draw. Only sketching. No need to other things. Only head is fine. Understand that how to draw the eyes. Eyes is like very simple. Eyes that's like this. Make it. This line, upper line is dark, and this line is like this. Okay. How to make the eyes? This is the eyes. Okay. That's the make the eyes oval and the straight like this. Okay. Make the eyes.
Sir, is
Yes.
this a cartoon?